Hello everyone, my name is Israel. So that sign name I just created that since the eyebrow I guess is my something like unique in my facial thing. I use my eyebrow and then my first the initial of my first name which is I, so Israel. Anyways, today I would like to share the instructional material and also instructional technology that can be a great help for those people who are who have this hearing impairment or deafness. So the instructional material I chose is sign language words flashcard. So we all know that there are flashcards na merong mga sign language na letters na merong nandun yung A to Z and kung paano siya sinasign using our hand. So meron ring mga flashcards na kung saan merong specific words na you don't have to spell it out, but through that specific sign ma-express mo kung ano yung word na gusto mong sabihin. For example, the word name. Para malaman mo kung ano yung word na name, merong isang flashcard na kung saan merong specific sign na nakalagay na, for example, ganito. It is name, so you don't have to spell out N-A-M-E. So through that flashcards, mas mapapadali kung paano i-express ng isang tao yung gusto niyang i-express using a little movement ng hand para sa meaning or sa something na gusto niya i-express sa'yo. So hindi siya makipag-communicate sa'yo in a sentence na i-spell it out bawat word. So basically merong specific action and specific sign for that specific action. Ayun yung makikita natin doon sa flashcard na sinasabi ko. So the instructional technology that I want to share naman na makakatulong rin para sa kanila is the textual support or the captioning. So basically even ako nakikinabang ako dito and maybe all of us. So since they can't hear or meron silang hardship to hear yung audio ng mga videos, isang bagay na pinakamagandang na invent for them to makarelate pa rin sa video or even sa atin na nakakarinig na maayos is yung captioning. So merong mga application na kung saan nagki-create ng mga captions. Usong-uso to ngayon sa mga reels, sa mga movies. So even ako pag nanonood ako ng movies, mas prefer ko na merong caption kasi mas naiintindihan ko siya. So same thing sa mga people with deafness and people who have this hearing impairment. Malaking tulong sa kanila yung mga captioning para mas maunawaan nila ano ba yung nangyayari sa mga pinapanood nila. And it's such a great help for them, for us especially, na nahihirapan sa language minsan. So I know that the textual support or the captioning can really help them na mas maunawaan ano ba yung mga nakikita nila, especially in technology. So yeah, sign language words flashcard. So basically it's just a word, tapos mayroong specific sign and also the textual support and captioning. So I hope that those things can really help sa mga tao na nangangailangan, especially those people na merong hearing impairment and also deaf. So I hope na share ko siya sa inyo. Thank you. Thank you. Tama ba? Thank you. Bye.